Right, I don't know where this is going to go. I don't know where this is going to lead. We're going to go for this unscripted and just going to point things out as I see them, as I find them, right? First of all, I was posting some stuff on Facebook, minding my own business, just doing my own adverts and that sort of stuff. Nothing crazy, right? And I see this advert whenever I see a business, like I get a bit like, let's have a look what they're doing. Let's see what they're doing. Let's see what I can copy, basically. And that's the truth. And this is what I found. So first of all, the advert was, let me just show you this 1 second. So you can see that I'm not, telling porcupines. Let me just share the screen here 1 second. There you go. Hopefully you can see that now, right? Can you see that? Allow every time. Hopefully you can see that, right? So this is the advert that I saw. So, okay, this looks good. Family law service. Kafka nicked this from me. They've nicked this from me because no one was actually advertising this shit before I was, right? So this first thing first. That's what got me suspicious, first of all. I thought, all right, so you copy my shit, right? So let's have a look, see how good you are. So I had a little click. So, okay. So then okay, share this tab instead. So then we get into this, okay? So, okay, this is nice. Looks good. I like the colors, because what got me on the other one was, it said all these reviews, read all these 5-star reviews, over 680. So how long have they been fucking operating for? That's what I wanted to know. Your refunds policy, they've got a refunds policy. Okay, good. So cancellation fees only occur if you cancel your appointment within 24 hours of your booked appointment time. So I don't do that. Maybe I should. We want you to feel completely confident with your purchase. That way you can cancel within 2 weeks of purchase and get a full refund. A special offer. Should we get a complete guide to 90-day? Okay. Learn more about our team. I've not checked these two yet. Now, I'm really sorry, Jess Knuff, co-founder of Family Law Service. I'm really sorry to have to do this to you. It was an accident. I didn't mean to do this. It wasn't something I planned to do. It was just, an accident, basically. Now I'm going to check all these as well. I'm going to check child arrangements. Oh my life. Meeting, just for a meeting, 225 quid for a meeting. I'm doing stuff wrong, mate. 50 quid. Child arrangements, position statement, £150. Are you for real? 3-page document. All these clients helped. 5-star. Where are these 5-star reviews? Got me asking. Oh, fucking hell. Hello. What's this then? We'll have to look at this because reviews.io, that's for Mediate UK. You lie. Wow. Look, that's not for family law services, is it? Well, I'll be damned. And of course you're going to get lots of positive things from Mediate UK because it's mediation that you're supposed to be, you're doing your job wrong if you're not fucking. But we've got more porcupines here, folks. Basically, what we've got here is more porcupines. I've accidentally walked into this. I'll give it a review. I feel lied to. I feel cheated. Views are services, which is your business. There we are. Yeah. Knuff. Where's that one gone there? Of Nauf of Knuff, which is misleading. Before stumbling across this, I noticed the people you call solicitors that are working for you claim to have working for you. I'm not aware that they're working for you, to be sure. Working for you. Employment or volunteered services, your accredited establishment. I'm making a video of this. Field leading people playing T2. Don't take it personally. It's not personal. I'm just highlighting wolves, Tim, and stumbled across you. There you go. So I've just done my review for them. Don't say I don't do anything to share. I'm always sharing my experiences. So that's that. And then what else we got here? So that was just that bit. I didn't mean stumble across. I just saw that live with you now, right? So then we've got from that. Here we are. Then I did some research, right? Before I got here, I did some research. Show this tab. I just done some research on Rachel Adams, because that name rang a bell before. This is someone calling me now. Hello, Don, you right?
Yes, my nigga, you okay?
Yeah, you? So, where was I? So, right. So, and then we find that this, about us there, this here. Then we find Rachel Adams, lawyer at DFA Law. She's recognized as an exceptional lawyer, a specialist in financial. You can see all this stuff here. Rachel combines her technical legal expertise. So what's she saying? Does she say she works here? Well, no, she doesn't work here. She's just happens to be the specialist in financial remedy proceedings here. because I don't think they know. I'm very confident they don't know, because look at this. It's also like DFA law. So what's the association with DFA law? Because DFA law, that's a proper solicitors. Look, if you look here, share this tab. Look, Kirkland. That is allowed on every visit. That is her. Correct me if I'm wrong. But why does she not say that she spends her time supporting this FSA, whatever they are? Why does she not do that? Because then I looked at Emma Kirkland, right? And go to Emma Kirkland. Got that one there. Emma Kirkland. And you look at Rachel. Rachel's here. She says nothing about. She's been listed as a leading lawyer by Wise Law. Listed as a leading lawyer by Wise Law. Okay, that's great. That's great. But still doesn't say anything about our good old friends. So this is very trust. It builds a lot of trust, doesn't it? Builds a lot of trust. A strong position statement can shape how the hearing is run and the judge focus on. And she's already said in her video. Let's not forget her video. Then just don't get me started. I've not even checked these yet. Check this. What? When you click on this, what you can't. Because it's very, very appealing in terms of it's very trustworthy. Look, Resolute. She works to mediate, right? She works to mediate. All this stuff here is Resolute. Share this tab. So Resolute, she's there because it's part of mediation. So this is part of her mediation stuff. So she's an associate. And she's a director of client strategy. Basically, she talks to customers about their problems and she recommends a strategy to fix it. She's a counsellor, right? That's what it is. So she's on this website. That's fine. But don't make yourself out to be something that you're not, because I think that's what you're doing. Because I don't think these two solicitors are here. Yeah, I don't think they're there. Because if I look at Lucy Nord, don't get me started. Look at what Lucy looks like. Let's have a look at this. I'll share this tab. Have a good look at Lucy there. This is Lucy. That's what she looks like here. But then if we go into here, is that still Lucy? Unless I've got the wrong page. I mean, Lucy. I mean, they look similar. But let's go back to here again. Share this tab. So look here. Trained as a paralegal professional knowledge combined with a compassionate understanding of emotional challenges client face. Okay, let's have a look here 1 second. Because that's the only Lucy I see. Lucy Nord. Look here. What we got then? What we got? Let's put my name Lucy Nord. Let's have a look here. Lucy Nord. She's not even the right one. Did I get the right one? All right, let's just do that 1 second. I'm sorry, Lucy, if this is, I have no doubt that you are. It's just, I don't believe you're supporting these people. Well, that's a bit of a turn up for the books. Hang on. I think they're the same person. See Harper, the younger her, and then, no, that's not her, Lisa Skilton. But that's her then, no? So what then? What? Then she's got, this is the other guy, it's that Lee Simmons. Look, that's him. I'll say back to us a second. Lucy Nord is a qualified paralegal specializing in preparation of consent orders and court documents for financial remedy proceedings. She has extensive experience, all right, on my consent order for 499. It's very rare that you get anyone doing a consent order. Let's have a look. See if they're the same things. I think they are. Delay. Hang on a minute. Let's do this. I'm going to copy that and put that into here 1 second. And then we're going to copy this. You've already see on the screen here. We're going to see what our friends at ChatGPT say. Are these the same thing written in different words, basically? They're from two different websites for apparently the same person. Yep. Right. We've got here. So the second version uses Lucy Nord Harper, removes a few promotional phrases, combines and shortens some sentences, retains the same claims in virtually the same order, qualifications, hundreds of approved breaks, approved orders, clean breaks, pension sharing, property transfers, correct formatting, first submissions, approval rate, client communication, and compassionate support. It reads like one version has been lightly edited or condensed from the other, independently written copy. Wording is sometimes identical in distinctive phrases such as approved with first submission, and judges can approve with confidence. That strongly supports a common source or copying, but the text alone cannot establish who copied whom for what. You would need the publication dates, the archived web pages, page metadata, or original draft records. So that's enough suspicion for me, though. I mean, she's not on the register. I've spotted something there, and this is not good for our friends our friend, I believe, who doesn't have people. She doesn't have an experienced team, because if you look at her video, look, that she did on that laughing, look, watch this. Oh no, she's not letting me see the video now, is she? I think she's a fraud. But no, look at all this trust here. Award-winning experts for what? You're not actually a real legal business, so you wouldn't win that. Sorry, just pointing that out. Just pointing out how it is. So Jessica Nuff, this is what you're here for here. It's Mediate UK. That's where you definitely work. a director of talking to people. But again, you have nothing that would suggest that you're capable of even being in court. Nothing. Likes to make herself sound important, but it's all about Mediate UK. I'm fair play to her. She's good at that. And then that's great. I mean, fair play, but she's lying. She's lying because I don't believe that she has a team of people, because I don't believe these people work for her. I believe she's copying what I'm doing, exactly what I'm doing. I think because I set the standard, I set the tone, but then don't get caught out, bitch. No, sorry, I shouldn't say bitch. Don't get caught out like that. I mean, I'm not being funny. It's very obvious. To me, it is anyway. I mean, these Mackenzie friends, I've never even heard of them. I bet you can actually sit there and say to them when you're talking to them on the phone, I bet you can be Karen and you be Lisa, because there's no men in the club. You've got a man there, you've got a bloke there, you've got a bloke there, haven't you? You have got a bloke there. But I bet you no one gets to speak to him, do they? There's no phone number to call. There's no human to speak to. It's all online. Fixed fee, but it doesn't say what the fixed fees are. No, it doesn't say what your fixed fees are. So again, it doesn't say what your fixed fees are, does it? Can you refund? I think she's playing the game. I think she's not real. I can see shit when I fucking see it, man. I can see shit when I see it. Better to review my ass. My fucking ass. This will be all legal. This will all be AI that just gives the AI bias. Told you. Why the fucking predictable? How fucking predictable? How fucking predictable? I wouldn't. You pay £9.50. You're paying £9.50. What do you call it? It doesn't say what AI they're using. It does say they're unregulated. They're down there, doesn't it? So basically, they're talking a lot of shit. Now, I can't help but point that out. It wasn't intentional. I didn't go there intentionally to point that out, but I have now. So what can I do other than share it with whoever wants to read it, watch it, play with it, touch it, whatever it. But this is a fraud group. This is not good. People want to come at me for shit. This is basically, she's lying. She hasn't got a team. This is it. Look, this is it. I've got to stop sharing it now. 1 minute. Still very good. I'm one of the founders, but she doesn't take actually any video of any of the other founders, does she? Like, it's all like pre-recorded stuff that aren't really her. And she's doing it all like sensibly in her offices from Mediate. So it makes it look like she's got actual offices. She's talking doo-doo though. I could see that she was talking lies when she first saw it. Good though. It's good because it's very it builds trust. But that's what I'm saying though. It's building trust and it's faking it that she's got a fucking legal team behind her and she hasn't. She's a mediator. But then she doesn't say what the fixed costs are and there's no hidden fees. So it's still not being very transparent. Just saying, just putting that out. But it's good though. I like the website and it's I don't know what the quality of the work is, but but look, she's not behind all a team of amazing people. Yeah, of course they have. Yeah, of course they do. And the fact that that's what gave it away there. When she touched her head, when she said it, that's what gave it away. Sorry, good video though. Legal advice. Not allowed to give legal advice, darling. Not allowed to give legal advice. You've got these people working for it because they're not saying it on their LinkedIn. They're not saying it on any of their profiles, and I think you're talking to. And that's why we're so passionate. People through such a difficult time, and she hasn't got a clue what she's doing. She can mediate and not give you the cost of the goods. Sorry. Just saying what I do.